Hello and welcome to Thursday's market review, 23rd of the 2nd. As usual, we'll just review the market activity and the trades we took. I've had quite a few emails since we've been doing these YouTube videos, which have been quite interesting. And please by all means keep them coming. Well, we can answer some of them. We can't answer all of them. We're not going to answer emails that say basically, shows the proof that you've made money. We're not here to do that. We've been helping some people, and they all know. And we've been helping some people for 4 or 5 months now, and they see what we do day in day out. And if you need to ask, show some proof, then that's not really what we're here for. Again, we've made money this week. We won't be trading tomorrow. There's no need. And again, some people can't get their head around that. But if you make money, then why risk it on a Friday? And we've done the same every week for over a year now, which we're not boasting about, but it's just a fact. And again, people who've been helping for 3 or 4 months will testify to that. But we're not going to give this, the exact details out in the public domain. That's not what we're here for. It's just not going to happen. Anyway, doesn't matter. So on the open, we did not get much of a, no setup on the open. Market goes up, and again we got quite, we quite like the emails, so don't stop by any means. But we got a few emails today saying, how do you work these levels out? Well, it's obvious if you just step back and have a look at what, with no magic wand on these levels. They're not Fibonacci's, they're no Elliott wave theories, they're no nothing. They're just price action. Just look at the price, and you'll see what we mean. If you really want to succeed in this, then you'll spend the time and work these out for yourself. It's dead easy once you get your head around it. So anyway, we didn't trade the open. There wasn't a setup on the open. We missed this move up. But again, 50 level we're always interested in, and I'm not going to go into reasons why. But again, look at the charts yourself. Yearly highs, and you can work the rest out. Comes up, price goes. We took this here. I think this was, I can't remember what this was. I think, no, we took this 30 level first. If you look at yesterday's chart, we scraped a few pips out of this. We're interested today, but again, these levels are only, look at yesterday's chart and you'll see why we're interested at 30. We managed to take a small position in 30 and get a few pips out of this. But you're fighting the trend. You need to be aware you're fighting the trend, so you just grab what you can, then wait, get out and wait. Price comes up 50. We took this up here as this candle goes. This candle basically goes do, 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 up, boom, straight back down again. You just sell. Again, people that should know, if you're trading, you should know the market. Yearly highs, new ground. Okay, Sunday night was, there was a spike above this, but that's not the real market. These are all, professionals in the market going, who wants to buy me up here? Who wants to take me to 6,000? Nobody. So we sold in here, and then we were finished. We didn't actually make all our money today, but we had other stuff to do. So, but we took some profit in here. Market goes up. This was a perfect setup. This one. It wasn't a double top. It's one-legged man that we teach, but at 50 level, again, you just put your stop above here. You just sell it all day. Price goes down. You could even sell this Chris setup here, which people who've done the training will understand. If you don't, do the trading, then it's just basic price action. Just watch the charts and do price action. It's not difficult. Chops around again. This is not marked on here. If you look at yesterday, 30 was a key level, a mid-range level, so price has bounced around. So you can't do anything in here again. Again, if you watch yesterday's video, you'll see some deja vu in all of this. Comes down. We were in a meeting this afternoon, so we couldn't trade in. This is New York Open. Again, we called, and again, people emailed us saying that we make these levels up, and it's so easy after the fact. Well, no, it's not actually, because we posted A in our room, and B to our members, and even more importantly, C on our public Twitter. And we went for a meeting somewhere in here, I can't remember where, and we put, look for 50 levels at key levels, 50 upside, 0.7 downside, 0.0 bottom. We're not, we don't retrospectively do these things. And what happens? Market chops around for whatever reason. We don't care. The market goes down, slices through 0.7, and then bangs off 0.0. And as soon as you see price come, this candle was a bit worrying, and we had quite a few people in our room go long around here, which is what we teach, and I can't fault them as long as they keep the risk reward ratio the same, correctly. Price goes up, and, they all made money. Now again, people in the know what this setup does. Sorry for the arrow in the middle, but just copy off of the chart. But price goes up. Why does it stall at 20? Again, if you can't answer that question, then you need to find out the answer, because there's reasons, and once you know these reasons, then you can trade it to your advantage. Because even though you didn't take this, you could have taken this further up, and after that it's just chop chop. There's nothing you can do, and again, look, see how 30 levels being respected, comes down, bounces off. Just look at the 30 level for the last couple of days, you'll understand why. It's just totally this held at 20, but the 20 level that we've been trading off the last 2 weeks has now virtually become irrelevant. So tomorrow we've got 0.0 to 50, a nice range. We all like these numbers. 0.0, 50s, big numbers. We know if it breaks above 50, there's no stopping it, and basically if it breaks below 0.0, there's not a lot stopping it. I think 75 is the next level to look at. You can work these levels out for yourself. It's not difficult. You just suss it out, but don't trade in the middle of the range. It's extra hard. So and that's it really. Like I say, we're not trying to be clever or anything, but another week of profits. You don't need to make zillions of pips at the end of the day, so you just need to be aware of what you're doing, and that's what we try and teach. So thanks very much for listening, as usual. Have a look at the website if you want to, or follow us on Twitter. Just send us an email, we're more than happy. There's quite a few emails exchanged today, and we'll answer every one of them and do the best we can. Okay, trade safe. We'll be around tomorrow. Might do a video at the end of the day, I'm not sure, but we're not trading tomorrow because we've made our money, so there's no need. And once you get your head around that, then that's one of the key reasons for being successful at this game. Okay, trade safe, and I'll catch you later. Thanks very much.